Weatherford camera, and yeah, you can see lots of sunshine. There is just a lot of heat right now, but it's going to get worse eventually. This isn't even really all that bad. We're at 92 degrees in Dallas, 91 in Gainesville, 93 in Corsicana, 91 right now in Graham. Overnight tonight, we're going to be staying warm. The wind's going to be staying up. It's going to be out of the south between about 5 to 15, so not terribly breezy by any means, but a little bit of relief. 77 in Greenville tomorrow morning, 77 in Decatur, and 76 tomorrow morning in Granbury. But tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be very warm again. The normal being 93 degrees. Forecasting a high of 94 in Dallas, 93 in Fort Worth, 94 in Denton, and 91 tomorrow afternoon in Corsicana. Parts of North Texas are actually seeing a little bit of rain. Those rain and storms are really well off to the east, and as the sun does set this evening, a lot of this is going to go away. And I'm not expecting any of this rain to make it into the Metroplex, but eventually rain chances will make it into the Metroplex. That's not going to happen tonight. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be mostly clear. Tomorrow afternoon, a lot like today, we're going to have a few clouds here and there, but more sunshine than cloud cover. This is going to be tomorrow evening, and we once again have a few showers and storms popping up well off to the east and off to the south and east. Not expecting severe weather. As we get into Wednesday morning, a few clouds start to bubble back in, but by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon, a couple of isolated showers starting to pop up. You can see that one just north of McKinney and the others well off to the southeast. But now looking at 5 o'clock, and it is bringing some rain into the Metroplex, but everything looks to be pretty light right now. The coverage, it's going to stay very low, so I don't expect most of us to see rain, but there's at least going to be a little bit of a chance across parts of the Metroplex by the time we get into late Wednesday afternoon and early evening. Tonight, though, there is no rain in the forecast. We're going to be staying warm and muggy. Temperatures drop down into the mid-70s. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny, hot and humid again, high of 94, but the heat index is likely going to reach around 100 degrees. So we don't have any 100s, at least not on the 14-day, not just yet, but the heat indices, it's going to feel like 100 degrees. Now, we do go down a couple of degrees by Wednesday because we are expecting the additional cloud cover and the 10% coverage of rain, but we're dry and warming up a little bit on Thursday, and with each day that passes, temperatures do go up about a degree until we get to that next week, June 30th. Yeah, temperatures just go down to 1 degree, 96 degrees, and then that Tuesday, July 1st, we get a 10% coverage of rain and storms. So on the 14-day, we only have 2 days where we actually have a chance of rain. Those chances don't look great. 4th of July, though, right now, it looks nice and clear, so great for the fireworks. I guess that's the only, I don't know, silver lining in that 14-day at this point.